Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon Pixma MG2450. I want to show you how to align the print head. So select the stop button. Warning light will highlight 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then release the button. Then you take the printed out, stick it on top of the glass scanner. Make sure the paper starts from the left side, close the cover, then select copy color or copy black to proceed. So the printer is going to scan the alignment paper. The warning light will be highlighting, and once it's finished, the light will stop. Then discard the paper. So this is how to align the printer. Thank you very much indeed.